guys, and welcome back to another Animal Company video. In today's video, I'm going to be delivering packages just like an Amazon driver. Well, because I am an Amazon driver, that's my new job. But enough yapping and let's get into the video. Okay, so how this Amazon delivery is going to work is this is going to be my Amazon delivery vehicle. And so let's say they order something, I can just put it on my back. But if it's something I can't put in a bag like an RPG, I'll simply just put a goop on it. Then we could just hang it up right here. And then we can deliver it. And that is basically how our Amazon delivery is going to work. Let's go ahead and let's get into our first work code. I gotta get this to a safe place. Holy crap. No! Wait, this is perfect. This is perfect. I can get in. Oh crap, it's lagging. Yo guys, do y'all want to buy anything from Amazon? We're giving items to people. Let me go make some customers. Would you like to?
Oh, oopsie! I want to buy.
Would you like to buy anything? I could give you some RPG ammo.
Yeah, I want to buy. Yeah.
What do you want to buy?
Are you the Labubu clan? Are you the Labubu clan? Where's the Labubu? No, this is the Skibidi clan.
You want to buy RPGs? I can give you almost anything.
Yeah, I want
Alright, give me a second, sir. I'll get you an order of an RPG. We got our first order, and that order is an RPG. Alright. Alright, so we just gotta get our order. I knew that would probably be our top seller. Holy crap, it's laggy. Alright, we're bringing your RPG.
Guys, I'm at the bomb. Beat me down. Shut up.
Stop it!
Yo, bro. I got your RPG.
Oh yeah,
Yo, I got your RPG behind you. The guy who ordered RPG. I got it. Yo, I got your RPG. Yo, white, behind you. I get your RPG.
Yeah.
What is
Here you
happening?
go, here you go.
I need ammo and stage. Bomb!
Okay, I'm bringing you ammo. So what stage are you in?
Buddy, where is the Labubu clan?
Or he said he needs ammo. Okay, just revolver ammo, right?
Oh, frick, we're cooked.
Alright guys, I think he said he's in stage 3. My truck is so big, bro.
Guys, they have another team.
We've reached the delivery point. Holy crap. I get it out of my truck. Delivery for ammo! I'm in stage 3. Anybody order ammo? Who ordered? Yo, Pug, are you the one who ordered ammo? Who ordered ammo?
I ordered ammo.
I need ammo too. That's not my grab.
Okay, this nope.
Guys,
No, he's stealing the truck! Where'd my truck go? Yo, where'd my truck go? Somebody stole the truck. Alright guys, we're abandoning the truck because like everybody's in that place. And the truck is way too massive to get through.
Oh, safe zone team.
I need help, safe zone team. I need help.
So we're gonna get rid of the truck for now.
Safe zone team.
Be free,
I'm
my
still
little
on stages. I need help. I need backup now. Ooh, turn.
Hey sir, would you like to order from Amazon? It's completely free.
Yeah, sure.
What do you need? I could buy it for you, so you don't gotta spin your nuts.
Join my team. Join my team.
Can you buy one?
Can I join safe zone team?
Somewhat.
No, safe zone team.
Okay, got you.
Go.
Brad, kill him! Kill Capybara! Good job.
There you go.
Hello.
Take your ammo, sir. Take your ammo.
Really, bro? You're gonna take.
Yo, who ordered the shotgun ammo? I have shotgun ammo right there. Shotgun.
Hey, can you deliver RPG ammo to OG? Hey, what's I know?
OG map?
Hey, go to OG, Pug, go to OG. Bye. Oh my god. Yeah.
Alright, I got you. Alright guys, so we just got a big delivery.
Okay.
Alright, so give me like 20 seconds, I'll be there. Alright, guys, we just got a big delivery to the OG map. So this is huge, so we're gonna have to grab some ray guns.
I need two RPGs.
Oh, frick, I almost forgot. Alright, you need RPGs or RPG ammo?
Red T-Rex. Are you doing
I need you kill me too. I need RPG ammo. I need bullet ammo. I need bullet ammo.
22 RPGs.
Here you go. Yo, ammo.
22, 100,000 million out of cash.
They're all the way in OG map.
Down, don't shoot. Gee, where are you?
You ordered RPG, right? Alright, I'm Amazon delivery. Ordered RPGs. Yo, ordered RPGs. Did y'all not order RPGs? I'm trying to give you. I'm Amazon. Look, RPGs. It's just
Oh, thank you.
I'm just Amazon. I'm Amazon.
Never mess with King Von.
Do y'all need RPGs? Do y'all need more? You need
Never
more?
mess with King Von, bro. Never mess with King Von. Never mess with King Von.
Kill him! He killed the population. You killed my customers. He killed the customers. Yeah, wait. We got him. We'll revive you. I got you.
I'm the leader. Don't arrest me. I'm over there. I'm all the way over there. Thank you so much. We need to revive everyone in our team.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I was bombed.
Where is King?
No, why did you respawn? Guys, we got our deliveries and we fought for equal rights in OG map. Now it's time to go back to the war. Y'all want anything else?
Me. I'm coming down there right now.
All right, what do you want?
A lot of ammo.
Oh, what type of ammo?
Pistol.
Got you. All right, we got another customer chat. We got revolver ammo. You're supposed to better.
What's going on?
I'm an Amazon delivery. We should probably get bag.
Yo, I know you're putting your own up.
Oh, customer who ordered all the ammo. Where are you at and what do you look like?
I'm at the part where you jump again.
Where are you? Is it in the OG map? Where are you?
OG map.
Okay, I can make it there. Stay there. Alright, guys, we're going back to the OG map. Alright, who ordered ammo?
State your purpose right now.
The guys at
State your purpose.
Yo, what do you look like? For the ammo kit?
Just state your purpose.
Okay, so where are you at in the OG map? Alright, I'm coming, guys. I hear you. I'm here. Here you go. Here's the ammo. Here's your ammo. That's your ammo.
Thank you.
Anyway, guys, that is going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. And if you want me to do a part 2 of this, where I do DoorDash instead of Amazon because I quit my job. I didn't like my job. They had me working overtime. But if you do want to see me do a part 2 of DoorDash, go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment down below. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye!